How to delete drafts in YouTube Shorts. So if you want to delete drafts in YouTube Shorts, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and make sure that you have a stable internet connection and go with youtube.com. Once you're on your youtube.com, you need to just simply go with the top of your screen, click on the profile icon, and then go with YouTube Studio. Once you click on the YouTube Studio, from here, left side, you will have the content option. Click on content, and then you need to go with shorts. Now, under shorts, you may have some drafts. So if you have some drafts, then you will have your drafts right here. So once you find your drafts, you need to just go with the three dots under your draft, and then you need to go with delete forever. Confirmation box will appear. Click on it, and you will say this kind of interface. It will ask you if you want to permanently delete the draft video. So you need to just simply go with I understand and then go with delete forever, and it will be deleted. So from here, you'll be able to delete your draft on your YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.